A pulled or sprained intercostal muscle, that's the muscle between the ribs, typically causes pain when you take a deep breath. But it shouldn't make you short of breath or cause rapid breathing. If you experience these symptoms, see a doctor, because the real problem may be something more serious like heart disease or a lung disorder. After more serious issues have been excluded and you've been diagnosed with a strained rib muscle, here are some ways to treat it. Put ice packs on the sore area for the first 24 to 48 hours, then change to heat treatments. Take mild pain relievers such as acetaminophen. Your doctor may recommend an anti-inflammatory drug such as ibuprofen or naproxen. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions with these because they can cause side effects. In certain cases, your doctor may prescribe a stronger pain reliever such as tramadol or codeine. The best treatments are time and relaxation. Most pulled rib muscles will get better in a few days. The purpose of this video has been to provide quick, basic answers to the question, how do you fix a pulled rib muscle? For additional information, see links to related resources below the video screen. But remember, you should always rely only on a doctor to diagnose any symptoms you may be experiencing. This video is just one of hundreds of health-related videos available on this channel. Please feel free to explore others or subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified when each new one appears.